Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about radioactivity. Now let's dive in a topic. Before starting the topic, take a quick review about the atom. All matter is made up of elements, for example, carbon, hydrogen, etc. The smallest part of an element is called an atom. Atoms of different elements contain different numbers of protons. For example, carbon contains 6 protons, hydrogen contains 1 proton, oxygen has 8 protons. The mass of an atom is almost entirely due to the number of protons and neutrons. For example, the mass number of carbon is 12 because carbon contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Let's consider the structure of an atom. The atom consists of two parts. The nucleus, which contains positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. The extranuclear part, that is electrons, these negatively charged electrons revolves around the nucleus. Isotopes. Isotopes are two or more types of atoms that have the same atomic number, that is number of protons in their nuclei and position in the periodic table, and hence belong to the same chemical element, and that differ in nucleon numbers, that is mass numbers, due to different numbers of neutrons in their nuclei. While all isotopes of a given element have almost the same chemical properties, they have different atomic masses and physical properties. Consider the isotopes of hydrogen. The three naturally occurring isotopes of hydrogen: number 1, protium, having 1 proton in its nucleus and 1 electron, revolves round the nucleus. Due to the presence of 1 proton, its atomic mass is 1, and due to the presence of only 1 proton, its atomic number is also 1. Number 2, deuterium. Due to the presence of 1 proton, its atomic number is 1, and due to the presence of 1 proton and 1 neutron in its nucleus, its atomic mass is 2. Number 3, tritium. Due to the presence of 1 proton, its atomic number is 1, and due to the presence of 1 proton and 2 neutron in its nucleus, its atomic mass is 3. The fact that each isotope has 1 proton makes them all variants of hydrogen. The identity of the isotope is given by the number of protons and neutrons. From left to right, the isotopes are protium, atomic mass 1 with 0 neutrons; deuterium, atomic mass 2 with 1 neutron, and tritium atomic mass 3 with 2 neutrons. Now, the abundances of isotopes of some important elements. Hydrogen, atomic number 1, symbol H, atomic mass 1, abundance 99.9885%. Atomic mass 2, abundance 0.0151%. Element number 2, helium, atomic number 2, symbol He, atomic mass 3. The abundancy of this isotope of helium is 0.000138%, while the helium having atomic mass 4, the abundancy of this isotope is 99.999863%. Number 3, lithium, atomic number 3, symbol Li, atomic mass 6. The abundancy of this isotope is 7.59%, while the lithium having atomic mass 7, the abundancy of this isotope is 92.41%. Number 4, beryllium, atomic number 4, symbol Be, atomic mass 9. It exists 100% in this form. It has no isotope. Number 5, boron, atomic number 5, symbol B, atomic mass 10. The abundancy of this isotope of boron is 19.9%, while boron having atomic mass 11, its abundancy is 80.1%. Now, very common element, that is carbon, atomic number 6. Atomic number 6, and the symbol of carbon is C. Atomic mass 12. The abundancy of this carbon having atomic mass 12 is 98.93%, while carbon having atomic mass 13, the abundancy of this isotope is 1.07%. Number 7, nitrogen, atomic number 7, symbol N, atomic mass 14. The abundancy of this nitrogen having atomic mass 14 is 99.632, while nitrogen having atomic mass 15, abundancy of this isotope is 0.368%. Now number 8, oxygen, having atomic number 8, symbol O, atomic mass 16. The abundancy of this isotope of oxygen is 99.757%, having atomic number 7, atomic mass 17. The abundancy of this isotope is 0.038%, and oxygen having atomic mass 18. The abundancy of this isotope of oxygen is 0.205%. Number 9, fluorine, having atomic number 9, symbol F, atomic mass 19. It exists in 100%. That is, it has no isotope. Now, number 10, neon. Atomic number 10, symbol Ne. Atomic mass 20. The abundancy of this isotope of neon is 90.48%. Neon having atomic mass 21, abundancy of this isotope is 0.27%. And neon having atomic mass 22, it means it has 10 proton and 12 neutron in its nucleus, and its abundancy is 9.25%. Now sodium, atomic number 11, symbol Na, and atomic mass 23. Naturally it exists in this form. It means naturally it has no isotope. Now magnesium, atomic number 12, symbol Mg, atomic mass 24. The abundancy of this isotope is 78.99%. And magnesium having atomic mass 25, the abundancy of this isotope is 10.00%. And the magnesium having atomic mass 26, the abundancy of this isotope is 11.01%. Now number 13, aluminium, atomic number 13, symbol Al, atomic mass 27. It and the abundancy is 100%. It means aluminum has no other isotope. A few naturally occurring isotopes and all of the man-made isotopes are unstable. Most of the isotopes are stable, but naturally few isotopes are unstable, and the artificial isotopes are also unstable because they are man-made. Unstable isotopes can become stable by releasing different types of particles. This process is called radioactive decay, and the elements which undergo this process are called radioisotope or radionuclides. Now, radioactive decay. Radioactive decay results in the emission of either an alpha particle, a beta particle, or a gamma rays. Alpha decay. An alpha particle is identical to that of a helium nucleus. It contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Now beta decay. A beta particle is a fast moving electron which is emitted. A beta particle is a fast moving electron which is emitted from the nucleus of an atom undergoing radioactive decay. Beta decay occurs when a neutron changes into a proton and electron. Gamma decay. Gamma rays are not charged particles like alpha and beta particles. Gamma rays are electromagnetic radiation with high frequency. When atoms decay by emitting alpha or beta particles to form a new atom, the nuclei of the new atom formed may still have too much energy to be completely stable. This excess energy is emitted as gamma rays. Gamma ray photons have energies of 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 joule. Important points about gamma rays. The penetrating power of gamma photons has many applications. Gamma rays penetrate many materials, but they do not make the materials radioactive. Now in Surah Furqan, وَخَلَقَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ وَخَلَقَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ فَقَدَّرَهُ تَقْدِيرًا. Allah created everything and decided its fate. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.